Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this comprehensive informational video, we'll be diving deep into what I have learned in office and system management, from the fundamentals of office conduct to the complexities of management information system and the latest industry trends. I'll share key insights and practical knowledge to help you optimize your workplace. Meetings, a necessary part of office life, but often a source of frustrations. What makes a meeting truly productive? First, a clear, well-defined agenda distributed in advance. This ensures everyone is prepared and know the objectives. Second is structured discussions. Assign role like a facilitator and note-taker to keep things on track. Encourage participation from all attendees, but manage time effectively. Tools like collaborative documents and interactive whiteboards can boost engagement, especially for remote participants. Finally, actionable outcomes. Every meeting should end with clearly defined actions items, assigned honors, and deadlines. Follow-up is key to ensuring progress. MIS is the engine that drives informed decision-making. It's about collecting, processing, and presenting data in a way that provides actionable insights. From customers' relationship management system to enterprise resources planning solutions. Understanding these tools is crucial. Data visualization techniques like charts and graphs help identify trends and predict outcomes and optimize business processes. But it's not just about the data itself. It's about the ability to interpret that data, translate it into strategic initiatives. Effective MIS empowers organizations to make smarter, faster decisions. Now, let's examine the current and emerging trends in office and system management. Cloud computing has transformed data storage and accessibility, enabling real-time collaboration and flexible remote work option automation. Powered by a machine learning is extremely repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on high-value strategic initiatives. Cybersecurity remains a critical priority as businesses adapt to increasingly sophisticated threats. Embracing this trend can significantly enhance productivity, reduce operation costs, and improve overall organizational efficiency. Furthermore, adopting sustainable practices contributes to environmental responsibility and enhances corporate reputation. I've learned several key lessons in office and system management. First, adaptability is crucial. The ability to quickly learn and adapt to new technologies and processes is essential. Second, effective communication is the foundation of successful collaboration, whether it's in person or virtual. Clear and concise communication bridges gaps and fosters teamwork. Third, understanding the why behind processes allow to form more informed decision-making and innovation. Finally, continuous learning is vital. The field is constantly evolving, so staying curious and seeking out new knowledge is essential for growth. Office and system management is a dynamic and multifaceted field that combines technology, strategy, and people skills. By mastering meeting conducts, leveraging MIS, staying ahead of emerging trends, and continuously learning, we can create more efficient, productive, and innovative workplace. Thank you for joining us on this journey.